With over 25 years of experience, Game On Group is a trusted global partner, delivering expertise and success worldwide. We bring powerful companies under one roof, from logistics and e-commerce to software and brand growth. Every part of our group works for you. Every idea is different. That's why we handle design, production, and logistics, delivering your project smoothly, on time, and within budget. Our services cover Amazon FBA product development, manufacturing, global shipping, inspections, sourcing patterns, China market integration, and digital solutions. With a global presence, we partner with clients across markets, delivering tailored solutions wherever they do business. Recognized by industry leaders, our awards reflect our expertise and impact. We simplify supply chains and deliver excellence worldwide. Our founder, Chen Saban, brings over 30 years of experience leading innovation in e-commerce, logistics, and technology. We partner with global leaders like Alibaba, ProofIt.biz, Yiwugo, and the Shenzhen E-Commerce Association. To create stronger solutions for businesses worldwide, success is simple. Meet your manager, plan with precision, approve samples, and scale production. Your products are delivered globally, done right every time. Our multicultural and multilingual customer success managers, Neta A. Zenis, handling customers from Thailand, Gabriela Han, managing clients from mainland China, and Inbar Palachi, assisting customers from Israel, along with many others, ensure your project runs smoothly, on time, and completely stress-free.